Hi everyone! Bibimbap might seem like a dish that takes a lot of time and effort. But today I will show you how to make it easy and delicious with just a microwave. All you need are a few vegetables from your fridge. This is a simple, healthy rice bowl you can enjoy anytime. This recipe serves 2 people. Take 2 handfuls of soybean sprouts, rinse them well, and drain the water. Cut half a zucchini into thin matchsticks. Slice a quarter of a carrot the same way, thin and even so it cooks quickly. Put all the sliced vegetables into microwave-safe dish. Place some thinly sliced beef. Mushrooms are a great alternative to beef. Sprinkle a little salt and black pepper. And add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of tuna fish sauce or soy sauce if you prefer, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Cover with a microwave-safe lid and cook for 5 minutes. Adjust the time depending on your microwave. While that's cooking, fry 2 eggs in a pan until the yolks are just a little runny. This step is optional, but the soft yolks adds a rich, nutty flavor. Take out the dish. You will see the veggies have released moisture and the flavor have come together nicely, like Korean-style seasoned vegetables called namu. Now add 2 handfuls of washed spinach on top. Microwave for just 1 more minute. Don't overcook spinach. 1 minute is just right to keep it tender but not soggy. Now everything's ready to go. Scoop a bowl of warm rice. Place the cooked vegetables and beef. Add a fried egg and sprinkle some sesame seeds. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Then add about half a tablespoon of gochujang, Korean red pepper paste, and mix well. If you don't like spicy food, just use a little gochujang. Bibimbap is a classic Korean rice bowl with vegetables, meat, egg, and sauce all mixed together before eating. If it tastes a little bland, just add a bit of soy sauce, about half a tablespoon. Take a bite. You will taste the tender steamed veggies, savory beef, and the rich aroma of sesame oil. It's hard to believe something this tasty came from a microwave. So easy and still so good. Enjoy this recipe, give it a like and subscribe for more delicious ideas. Thanks for watching.